Bullish Elrond cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $203.12 and $442.35 by 2030. Market investigators accept EGLD could reach $203.12 by 2025. Bearish Elrond market cost expectation for 2022 is $36.11. Elrond presentation. Numerous cryptographic money projects are using the advantages of the DeFi innovation to get the eventual fate of their tasks and accomplish a full condition of organization versatility. Elrond is one of those conventions that is centered around building a creative blockchain foundation with a state sharding plan, a blockchain arrangement that permits hubs to some extent control the framework state, which helps construct the organization structure. This organization has released another condition of computerized engineering and innovation. Be that as it may, in this video, we'd introduce an outline of this Elrond biological system, its cost exhibition since its creation, the group and values behind the capability of its organization, and our future cost expectations. With the erratic developments in the digital currency market, it'd be an extraordinary chance to understand what the presentation of your speculation would be with the guide of cutting-edge specialized examination instruments and forecast specialists. What is Elrond? Elrond Network, likewise alluded to as Egld, was established in 2017 in Romania by two programming designers Benjamin Mincu and Lucian Mincu. Yet, the mainnet took some time prior to sending off in July 2020 because of high objective turn of events. EGLD is a blockchain foundation that uses sharding for the purpose of expanding chain versatility and exchange speed while applying the security of the verification of stake agreement system. It has a most extreme stockpile of 31,415,926 EGLD tokens, which is expanded yearly yet thus diminishes the marking compensations in the organization. This will influence the rate at which expansion of the coin develops as it continually diminishes, yet the evidence of stake validators would act as one more method for exchange confirmation on the convention. This blockchain has helped with the end of PC waste and protection of energy while focusing on their uprightness through a novel system that permits the different handling of information exchanges in a similar block, which speeds up at a high rate. Elrond Center engineers accept that the EGLD organization can deal with in excess of 15,000 exchanges each second at a charge of $0. This guarantee was demonstrated when Elrond arrived at 260,000 exchanges each second in a test climate with in excess of 1,000 hubs. This is a colossal accomplishment contrasted with the other blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Torrential Slide. The Elrond local token is utilized in marking, remunerating validators, and installment of organization charges. Elrond Essential Examination. Elrond organization sent off their Mayar trade, a DeFi convention that gives a stage to clients to give liquidity to pools and furthermore buy EGLD tokens straightforwardly from their application because of their association with MoonPay. This coordinated effort gave EGLD admittance to that biggest retail economy and furthermore helped the inundation of funding to the convention as additional engineers and more people get parts of the token. The token got recorded on many significant stages like Binance, KuCoin, and OKEX. The organization keeps building broad measures to guarantee the appropriate dissemination of its foundation to additional people, as its guide expressed. EGLD is a considerable power in the security area of the cryptographic money market. Elrond likewise banded together with Copper, a computerized care supplier, and has put forth many attempts in the development of digital currency schooling by subsidizing crypto foundation. Versatility. Elrond's remarkable strategy and sharding process has given it a higher control over its rivals like Ziliqua. The convention attempts to keep a stockpile of EGLD tokens that are utilized to stake on the organization during its most memorable year, with the validator hubs getting a 36% every year. The organization keeps introducing itself as an imaginative computerized economy for decentralized applications and business use, developing to make EGLD a store of significant worth with a dynamic environment to guarantee a quicker pace of reception in the genuine and virtual world. The undertaking started to help designers making on their foundation and furthermore permitting them to procure more than 30% of the brilliant agreement charges as sovereignties. Elrond current cost. Elrond is at present worth $45.14 USD. EGLD has moved 4.04% as of now with an exchanging volume of $39,624,173. Elrond is at present position 39 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,073,788,892 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Elrond to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Elrond Value Expectation 2022. Elrond, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The EGLD cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $67.71. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $63.19 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. EGLD is supposed to have a base worth of $54.17. Elrond Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Elrond EGLD cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of EGLD will before long outperform $112.84. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the EGLD's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, EGLD will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $90.28 and a typical exchanging cost of $99.30. Elrond Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $157.98 and EGLD might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. EGLD is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $144.44 and a low of $135.41 in 2024. Elrond Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Elrond effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the EGLD coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, EGLD will be green in 2025. The EGLD is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $203.12, with a base cost of $180.55 and a typical cost of $189.58. Elrond Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the EGLD cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $234.72 by 2026, with a base cost of $225.69 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, EGLD has a greatest value worth of $248.26. Elrond Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $279.85. In the event that EGLD figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $293.39. Neglecting to accumulate the help EGLD needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $270.83. Elrond Value Expectation 2028. While EGLD is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost